In this video I will fix the fuel door on this Ford F150 permanently. What do I mean? I'll show you. This is a very common issue in Ford pickup trucks from 2009 through 2014. I got tired of this problem, so I went online and I got this kit. Now this is not an advertisement or sponsorship, so I cannot tell you what brand or where I bought this kit. What I can tell you is that I got it online, and you can do the same if you want. I will be installing and showing you step by step on how to install it, and at the end I will tell you if it works, because I paid $13 for it. So let's see. These trucks from 2009 through 2014 came out with this issue, that the spring on the fuel door comes loose. This causes the fuel door to dangle loosely. Fortunately, this is very easy to repair and you only need a few tools to fix this. In case you're wondering what this fuel lock is for, click in the link in the description to watch the video. To start off, insert a flathead screwdriver into the plastic tab and release the white round door and pull out the yellow plastic ring. Now, using an 8mm wrench, remove all 3 bolts. Now, using a rag and a screwdriver, remove the black assembly off the truck by inserting a screwdriver and scooping out the assembly of the truck. I use the microfiber to buff any light scratches left by the screwdriver. So this is the door assembly, and what happens is that this black pin moves out of place, and when that happens, the door and the pin stop moving together, and they should be moving together. So to fix this issue, I got this kit. This is the kit that I will be installing today. Here you can see that when the pin and the fuel door are aligned, they both move together. But if the pin moves out of place, then the door dangles loosely. and this is the washer that keeps the pin in place, and this makes it a permanent repair. Here I am applying some type of grease or spray just to reduce friction and keep everything nice and smooth. And now the final step is to install everything back in place in reverse order. So now everything is installed back in place, so now let's see how it performs. The door stays shut, it works well. The only issue is that when opening and closing, the door makes a knocking sound. And that is caused by the aluminum pin rubbing against the spring, but I found out that if you use the original spring, the noise is less obvious. Now, due to the fact that the door makes a knocking sound when opening and closing, I give it a 3.5, but for the low price I paid, I give it a 4 stars overall, since you get a brilliant solution for this problem. Finally, I use a polish to remove any light scratches off the paint.